Hi students, welcome to our last lecture of today and the last lecture of the week. This will be a continuation on building an argument in your body paragraphs in your paper. Now this lecture is interesting because it's a lecture intended for your research paper. However, there'll be things that you can use in this lecture to help you develop your argument in your body paragraphs. So I'm going to use the introduction and conclusion paragraph sample from yesterday, and notice we have the introduction paragraph all set up and we have the conclusion paragraph all set up, but we are missing the supporting paragraphs. So if you remember from yesterday, we have this major claim, this thesis statement right here, comparing organic foods with conventional foods. And this thesis is saying that organic foods are no more healthier, tastier, or safer than conventional foods. So it's not better. So O is not better. I'll use O for organic, then let's say conventional foods or regular foods. Why? Because it's not healthier, is not any tastier, and not any safer. So reasons 1, 2, and 3. And what we're going to do in our supporting paragraphs is to develop each reason, starting with 1, then 2, then 3. So we're going to use this lecture to help us develop our body paragraphs. So the first thing we could do, if you started making this, or if you haven't, you should start now, make an outline like this. So I'm going to make 3 of these. And so this is supporting paragraph 1 now. And the second paragraph would be supporting paragraph 2. And the last supporting paragraph would be supporting paragraph 3. Okay, and I'm going to add some details to our supporting paragraphs now. Now, if you remember what we need to build an argument, we need 4 things. Remember, first we need a claim, then we need a reason or reasons, then we need explanations for each reason that would support the claim, and then finally you're going to use a piece of evidence to help prove your point. So we're going to make a claim in each topic sentence in your body paragraphs, and then we're going to have at least 1 reason for each claim, mini claim or minor claim, going to have an explanation for each reason, okay, and then a piece of evidence, to support my claim and explanation. And finally, I would link my topic sentence back to the thesis with my concluding sentence. Okay, so let's add that to our outline and make the adjustment. So first one, I'm going to need minor claim for reason 1. Okay, and here you're going to have minor claim for reason 2. Minor claim for reason 3. Then here we're going to have reason for minor claim 1. We're just going to use some copy and paste shortcut here. So in body paragraph 2, I'm going to have reason for minor claim 2, and in support paragraph 3, I would have reason for minor claim 3. Next, I would have explanation.
Yeah, I would love to do screens.
So something like this to help me organize my points.
Yeah, a car would help do that. Yeah, so we can get materials.
So evidence. So here I'm just doing the work in making my outline. And you can do the same work too as you follow along. You can pause the video at any time to make your link reason 1 to thesis statement. There's link reason 2 for supporting paragraph 2, and reason 3 for supporting paragraph 3. So notice we have everything connected and every sentence serving a specific purpose. So if we were to use an example, would say something like this. First, recent studies show that organic foods are not or do not show any significant health benefits over conventional foods. So here I have my minor claim for reason 1. And here you see the topic sentence in my supporting paragraph 1 focuses on the health benefits of organic foods and whether they have more benefits than the conventional foods. And the controlling idea of this topic sentence is that no, they do not show any significant more benefits. So no more beneficial in terms of health than conventional foods. So again, a topic sentence has the topic and the controlling idea. So each of your topic sentences would have something like this. So you might make something similar with each topic sentence in each paragraph. So I'm showing you a simple way of doing this. Second reason, third reason. Okay, and a particular structure I may be using here could be most important to least important, at least to the person. And you could restructure it as tastier being least important, then healthier being more important, and safer being most important. It's totally up to you. Remember to have a logical structure. Okay. Research also shows, so I'm paraphrasing a little bit. So instead of saying recent studies, I say research, and then show, I use demonstrate instead, that organic foods are not any tastier than conventional foods. See, again, I have taste this time, focusing on the second reason, and I write it in the topic sentence. Again, with the topic and the controlling idea. Organic food is not tastier than conventional foods. So the last one. So sometimes the challenge would be, paraphrasing and using related words or synonyms. That can be its own challenge too. So sometimes you might not need to say research anymore because you are using research. Are not proven to be safer than not scientifically proven. So that is my way of relating the sentence to research, scientifically proven. To be safer than conventional foods. Okay, you could use this structure to build your own reason for support for your minor claim now, and then you can explain this reason that supports this claim. So I'll say it again. So now you have a separate reason for this claim, and then you explain how this reason supports your claim and use a piece of evidence to support it, to support your explanation. And then after you've done all that, you can link your reason back to the thesis statement. So maybe your reason is, it does not. So let's say, for example, you found that the vitamins, maybe the minerals are all the same. Let's say you have an organic apple and a conventional apple. You take a look at how much vitamins and minerals they have, it turns out to be the same or not different enough. So you'd say, they have the same level of vitamins and minerals, and you explain what that means. Well, so more vitamins and minerals means healthier food. It's better for your health. Here, evidence, you would show a study that shows the comparison. Hopefully, the study shows that they are similar, if not the same. You want similar results here. Because I'm claiming in this sentence that they're the same, not any healthier. Okay, and the last part where you would link it, the study showed it's similar. Organic food and conventional food have similar vitamins and minerals. Therefore, it's not organic foods are not healthier than conventional foods, which means if they're not healthier, that was your first point. Yeah, if a better food is healthier food. So if it's not healthier, it's not better. Food is not better than conventional food. The And that's kind of how you build the outline. So I'll write the sentences and then we'll call it a day. For this why organic foods are not healthier than conventional foods is because they do not have more vitamins and minerals, something like this. Okay, so my explanation for that reason, this means if thus more if organic food, it has more vitamins and minerals, they are healthier than conventional foods. So the explanation provides the logic in supporting the reason in your claim that supports your thesis statement. So my evidence. So accordingly, that's a signal word. Scientific evidence has shown, and I'm kind of making this up, that, but it is true, shown that organic foods have very similar levels of vitamins, similar amounts of vitamins and minerals to conventional foods. Now, you could have more sentences if you want, especially let's say you compare two apples, an organic apple in so-and-so study. An organic apple has some amount of vitamins and minerals, while a conventional apple has this amount, and they turn out to be similar. So you would conclude your supporting paragraph based on the evidence supporting your explanation that supports your reason, that supports your claim. So you might say, therefore, since the amount of vitamins and minerals are similar between organic foods and conventional foods, data from this study shows or proves that organic foods are not healthier or better, say, than conventional foods. So here we have our paragraph, our supporting paragraph 1. Following the structure, you have a minor claim that supports your thesis statement. In this case, is healthier. You have your reason that supports your minor claim. You explain what that reason means and how it supports the claim. You have an evidence to prove your explanation. And then you conclude by linking the evidence back to the explanation, back to your reason, back to your minor claim, which is supporting your thesis. So it's all connected and each sentence serves a purpose. And that's how you build a body paragraph. So try it yourself with your own body paragraph. I've used an example of organic versus conventional food here, but you're going to want to build body paragraphs for reasons why you agree or disagree with the article that you read last week. All right, so that's it for today. This is a much shorter lecture, and we're going to save the same lecture slides for your next assignment, research essays. So if you have any questions, again, please post your questions on Canvas or ask me directly. Get started on your essay. I'll see you next time.